Your heart, you take.
Hello mga loves! We are going out, Kung Kung and I. And that's Kung Kung's outfit na may glasses siya. Nag-headband ng bunny and nag-kimono dress. My outfit is just
Fireworks.
my sunglasses and that one.
Fireworks. Look, he's
Shorts.
wearing fireworks.
So, we are going outside sa outside world para magpadala ng pera. And para magtingin-tingin na lang din ang makakain dahil gunugutom na kami. Wala pa kaming kain. Nag-ano lang kami, nag-bread. So, yun mga loves. Okay ba itong shades? Bagay ba ito? Parang si John Lennon lang. Kung din. Bagay yung shades. Show me your glasses.
I was smells like pineapple.
Come on. Let's go. Hold hands. Sige mga loves, later.
Yeah.
Dito na kami sa... na kami sa mall mga loves. Hi! Bagong outfit na si Kung King. Yeah, bagong outfit na si Kung King. Wala siyang ibang sunglasses mga loves. Wala na ako ng-sunglasses. Kasi nasulat na tayo ng mall. Kasi maghanap muna kami ng makakainan mga loves. Kasi gutom na talaga. Ayun, nandito na kami ni Kung Kung sa Greenwich mga loves. Hi Kung King! I'm gonna eat. Ha? Ow! Number 5. 55. Yeah. Ayun, so nag-order kami ng food mga loves. Nag-order kami ng pizza, lasagna, and yung kanilang percoolers. Okay. So, gutom na kami mga loves. Naku. So, wait na lang muna namin yung aming in-order. Sana madaliin nila pag-luto. Okay, so nandito ng order namin, lasagna and chicken, and yan, mga chocolate pearl shake. Wala pa yung pizza. And we have pizza. Ha? What are you doing? Thank you pa. Ay! Sorry. What are you doing, King? Nam? We have their chicken. Change na. Kain na kami mga loves. How's your eating? Eat your pizza. Right, the pizza. I love pizza. I really love pizza naman. Chicken. Saan niya? Sarap. Over here. Hi guys. We're looking for ladybug. There's no ladybug. We're looking for ladybug. Oh, just like Kung Kung. Look at it. Just like Kung Kung. Yeah, that's your shoes wheel. Yeah, the same. Oh, the same. The same like that as well. Wanna Pinkie Pie and Rainbow Dash. The same. Hot ponies. Okay. Go. Look for ladybug. No, not that one. Food lang, te. Come on. Bahala ka. Ladybug, where are you? It seems na walang ladybug Ladybug dito sa Philippines. Sa Toy Kingdom at saka Toy Store. Oh, we have Elsa. Color bags. Hi, Elsie. Over the hill, Ampa. Oh, hala, look. Only one eye. Only one eye siya. Look, ate. Only one eye siya. So scary. They have cameras. Mag-aasta kay ate, be. Ate? Te, meron kayong ladybug? Miraculous ladybug. Yung superhero ng Miraculous ladybug. So, mag-aasta. Oh, we have duck McStuffins right here. Love duck McStuffins. You don't know how to skate, ate. You already have that, ano, te. You already have your, your shoes wheel. Ay, mga, sabi nila may mascara na ng Power Ranger. Ah, bakit si Red lang? Walang pink. Wala po. Si Red lang ang meron. Si Red lang pala ang meron. Oh my God. Sayang naman, te. Babae naman kasi ang aking anak. Walang iba. Sayang naman. Yeah, the same kumkum. The same. No. Hawk. Hello, Hawk. How are you? You have your glasses. Don't do. Ano lang, cover lang. Cover lang ang face. Like this only. I don't know who's that. No, it's not Iron Man.
It's in Ryan.
Which one is the same with Ryan?
It's in Thomas and Friends.
Thomas and Friends. Pepang boys man yan, ate. So sad mga loves na wala si Miraculous Ladybug sa kahit anong toy store dito sa lugar namin. For some reason, nandito lang talaga sila Barbie and Friends. Ayan. At saka yung mga dolls. But walang Miraculous Ladybug. Oh, this one's nice and colorful. Look. Oh, we have the Disney Princess costume here. Okay. Ayan, dito sila lahat. Ayan. Te, let's go na. You put it back. You put back that, te. Let's go na sa arcade. Come on. Mag-arcade na lang kami mga loves. Welcome to the arcade of Santa Lucia. Ang laki-laki ng arcade na ito mga loves. Like, super duper. Welcome to the arcade. Meron pa silang Tower of something. Ayan o. Okay, close na yung paborito kong cashier. Key, where are you? Come on. Come on. Where do you want to? Where do you want to ride? taba-taba ako ng mga love. Super taba ako na talaga. Bakit kaya? Nag-exercise naman ako. Hindi naman ako kumakain ng rice. Halos hindi na nga ako kumakain. Nandito pa rin siya. Nandito pa rin. Joke lang.
Club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat